I'll take three variables, a comma, b comma, c. Okay. And in front of it, I write my tuple. Okay. And now if I come down, now pay attention. Now if I come down, if I try to run my this thing, it will give me an error. What is it saying? Please try to understand the errors. Okay. Every time I'm purposely showing you, like if we go wrong, what kind of errors we get. So it says value error. There will be a session where I'll be actually talking only about errors, like what are the different errors which we get: type error, value error, operation error, operating, whatever it is. Okay. So it says too many values to unpack. Okay. It is giving directly the reason also here. So it is not that difficult to understand when you're getting some kind of error. So it says that it is like a lot of values are there to unpack and we have only three variables and therefore it's giving this kind of error. But how do you overcome this? Now you have like two, three options to this. Let's say if you are not, if you don't know how many values are there in the list, but you want to take it into three variables and you have a criteria that the first one should come in the first variable, the last value should go into the last variable, and in middle there can be n number of values which will be captured in C. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to give a star over here. You need to give a star over here. Now what will happen is the star C means, or mean how this is interpreted, the first value of this tuple ABC will get stored in A. The last value of this tuple, that is YZ, will get stored in B. And whatever is there in between, everything will come into C. That is the meaning of star C. Okay. So means that, let's say, if I try to print this thing once again down, and let's remove this. Let's go over here. Let's try to run it. So this is how it works. You see in your B, see I purposely given C in between. Okay. So for A, it is showing me ABC. For B, it's showing me YZ. And in C, it has actually taken all these values.